Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to change voice message language. Start by confirming the app is updated and you're signed in. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi so language packs download reliably. Now open Bgmi and tap the gear icon to enter settings. From there, choose audio to reveal voice, chat, and TTS options. Make sure the game isn't running background downloads. If it is, pause them. You're now positioned at the audio controls, where the language option appears near voice message settings. Next, tap voice message language to open the language list and examine regional variants. Some languages include unique accents or alternate packs. Choose the language you prefer. If a download icon or size indicator appears, tap to fetch the voice pack. Downloads may take a minute depending on connection, so wait for completion. Once downloaded, apply the new language setting and allow the game a moment to integrate the files. This step updates how your voice messages are synthesized and played to teammates. Finish by testing voice messages in the lobby or a custom match to confirm the new language is active. Speak and listen to verify pronunciation and volume. Make sure voice chat volume and mic sensitivity are balanced under audio so messages record and play correctly. If the change doesn't take effect, clear Bgmi cache, reboot the app, or reinstall as a last resort. Also confirm your device has enough storage and the game's region settings aren't restricting voice packs. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.